subtract 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. We just subtract the top numbers. So 7 nines minus 2 nines is 5 nines. Now with the whole numbers, here we subtract the whole ones. 3 minus 1 is 2, and subtract the fractions. 3/5 minus 2/5 is 1/5, and put them together here as answer. Now, when we have to take a fraction from a whole number, let's see this example. Here, subtracting the wholes, we get 5 minus 1 is 4, but we still have 1/3 to take away. So, we need 4 minus 1/3, which is 3 whole number 2 over 3, because we take the 1/3 from one of the whole ones, which we can think of as 3/3. Now let's check another example. First, subtract the units. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 1/5 minus 4/5 means we still have 3/5 to take away. So now we want 2 minus 3/5. So take 3/5 from 2 to get one whole number 2 over 5.